Hello friends, welcome back to Aliya Gupta. Today I am here with a new topic, uses of convex mirror. Now let's start with the first use. Convex mirror is used as a rear view mirror in vehicles. First uses rear view mirror in vehicles. It is used as a rear view mirror because first, it forms an erect image. Second, it forms a diminished image which gives a wide field of view. We never use concave mirror as a rear view mirror because it always forms inverted image. So the driver sees vehicles upside down and their wheels in the air. So this would be a funny view for the driver also. Okay, our next use. Big convex mirrors are used in shops as security mirror. So it is used in as security mirror in shops. Now what we can do is we can install a giant convex mirror on the ceiling of the shop and we can lie down enjoying our snacks and food and then we can keep an eye on the customers looking for thieves and shoplifters. Now the third and the last use. Convex mirror is used in street lights. Street lights. It is used in street lights because it diverges light, so the maximum area gets lightened up. So that was all for today's tutorial. Keep liking, keep suggesting and keep subscribing. Also press the bell icon below to get the notifications for the latest videos I am uploading. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.